lush, vibrant, lively. IKEA has created the eighth wonder of the world, gifting the ability to bring a piece of this vast wilderness into any home. These versatile plants can be used to spruce up any environment, from kitchens, workspaces, to living rooms. IKEA plastic plants can help soothe any location they're placed in, allowing for the creation of a stress-free area for relaxation and concentration. Another great feature added to the IKEA plant was the removal of any necessary nutrients the plants may require in their other living counterpart, granting a great look without the worry of over or underwatering the plant. Not only does IKEA create a stunning plant, they are also known for their vast variety and options, offering over 100 different options to choose from plenty of shapes and sizes. One of the best details about this product is the price. Smaller plants range from $4 to $7, while the larger ones range from $40 to $50. The product is an affordable price and a great decorative piece. While it is great owning an IKEA artificial plant, if you enjoy gardening, the IKEA plant may not be right for you, as it removes a lot of the enjoyment of taking care of a real plant. If this issue affects you, IKEA also has a solution for you with their living plant catalog. While IKEA potted plants might not be for everyone, I thoroughly recommend this product for anyone who likes the aesthetic of plants without the hassle of keeping them alive and well.